Okay, good morning, year five. Our learning objective today is to understand translation. Now, within position and direction translation, we're thinking about movement, okay? So it's not as in like language translation or anything like that. It's a lot simpler than that. We just need to be thinking about movement. Feedback starter, true or false. Have a little look. If you need to plot on the coordinates, then do so, etc. Just true or false, just to get your brain um, warmed up this morning. Okay, so very fluency one. Tick the translation from shape A to shape B. So put a line there. We're either looking at this one here as number one, this one here as number two as being right. What we want to do first of all, like we did in previous lessons, is let's do a point. This is my reference point here from shape A. Now, the top one, number one, says we move 5 right and 3 down. Number two, the one below it, says we move 5 right and 2 down. So from this point here, they both say 5 right. So we'll go 5 right. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So our shape would be over here. So that dot would then have moved across. So the whole shape would have moved, so 5 to the right, and that dot represents what position of shape A is where. So let's have a little look at that, and then we need to go down. So if we go 1 down, 2 down, oh, that is the same dot that I highlighted earlier on shape A. So that is exactly the movement, the translation that we've done. So if we count it up, we move 5 right and 2 down. That's it. All we need to be thinking about. When we move 5 right, we're thinking about whole squares. When we move 2 down, whole squares again. So tick the translation for shape A to shape B. 5 right and 2 down. Okay, true or false? Shape A has been translated 4 right and 1 down. Again, I would probably use the nose of A, only because I quite like potentially sort of looking at this one. Um, you would need to maybe use a different point if you think that would be easier for you, but I'm going to use the nose of point A. So it says shape A has been translated 4 right and 1 down. Let's have a look. So if we go 1 right, 2 right, ooh, there's no more paper there, and we're getting further away from, I'm going to call it shape B, we're getting further away from shape B. So we don't need to go right. Instead, we might have needed to go 1, 2, 3, 4 left. So that would be 4 left, and then if we go 1, that would be 1 up. So this one here would be false, big F for false. False, it would be 4 left and 1 up. Okay, what this question is saying is whether you're reading it. Shape A has been translated 4 right and 1 down. If I've named it B, if we were looking at it as shape B, yeah, that would be right. Shape B is translated 4 right and 1 down to get to shape A. So make sure you're reading the question. It's not here to trick you out or catch you out. It's just there to see if you know what you're doing. Okay, varied fluency 3. Translate shape A 1 right and 4 up. You need to pick your point. For example, I know we're going right, so I'm going to use the right furthest point here. You need to go 1 right and 4 up. And then, after that, you need to translate shape A 4 right and 1 up. So this would be shape 1, that would be shape 2. So you should come out with 2 translations away from shape A. So say shape 1 ended up over here, and say shape 2 ended up down here. That's what we're looking for. 2 shapes on this piece of paper. So give that a good go. Remember, don't overcomplicate it, just move it. Pick your point, move it, then draw the shape. Okay, pencil and ruler, you need to be drawing the shape. Okay, on to some reasoning questions. Susan has translated shape A 1 right and 4 up. Is she correct? Okay, I'm going to take this point here, as you can see, and the same point, I might as well highlight it, is over here. We need to get from there to there. So automatically I know we need to go 1 left. Oh, hold on. It says Susan's translated 1 right. So we know automatically that she's incorrect because we actually need to move 1 to the left. Okay, and then how many up do we need to go? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is correct. So is she correct? No. Explain your answer. Why is she not correct? Because we need to go 1 to the left and 4 up. Okay, so nice and simple, just left, right, up, down for today's lesson. Okay, problem solving 1. Starting from shape A each time, circle the translation as not being completed. So again, pick your point in shape A. For example, I'm going to do this one here. Let's have a look. 3 right and 2 down. I'm going to put a tick by it, not saying it's there. I'm just going to put a tick by it just to show you which one we might have a look at. Say 3 right. 1, 2, 3 and 2 down. So that would mean that A would look something like that. Then we need to move 2 down. 1, 2. So that would be exactly, that has been translated. So it would be a tick. Then you need to go down to 0 right, 5 down, 5 right, 5 down, and if or which one isn't there, you need to complete that translation. Okay, so today it's quite formulaic, it's quite straightforward and just following instructions, but you need to make sure you use a point from, say, shape A for the translations, and you need to remember to draw the shape after. A pencil and a ruler, please. Okay, have fun with the maths today, guys.